Plant family, Tropaeolaceae, 97 species in genus Tropaeolum. August 26th, Tropaeolum, the nasturtium, represents August 26th. Tropaeolum symbolizes creativity and vitality. You bring a burst of color and energy to everything you do, inspiring those around you. Like its vibrant blooms, your presence lights up the world with joy and enthusiasm. Exploring the Tropaeolaceae family, a dive into Tropaeolum. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been fascinated by the incredible diversity found in the plant kingdom. One family that truly captivates me is the Tropaeolaceae, particularly the genus Tropaeolum. Known commonly as nasturtiums, these plants are more than just beautiful flowers. They are a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. In this article, I'll take you through my personal journey with Tropaeolum, exploring its characteristics, cultivation tips, and culinary uses. Understanding the Tropaeolaceae family. The Tropaeolaceae family, often referred to as the nasturtium family, consists of herbaceous plants, mainly originating from South America. The most recognized genus, Tropaeolum, features over 90 species. What draws me to these plants is their vibrant colors and unique growth habits. With shades ranging from deep reds to bright yellows, nasturtiums can bring life to any garden. These plants are not just visually appealing. They have a fascinating historical background. Indigenous to the Andes region, they have been cultivated for centuries. The early Incas utilized them not only for their beauty, but also for their medicinal properties. Over the years, I've discovered that they are rich in vitamin C and contain compounds with antimicrobial properties. A riot of color and form, exploring the species. The diversity within the Tropaeolum genus is truly remarkable. From the climbing vines of Tropaeolum majus, the common garden nasturtium, to the tuberous roots of Tropaeolum tuberosum, commonly known as maswa, there's a nasturtium to suit every taste and garden. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The beauty of Tropaeolum. Tropaeolum species exhibit a remarkable range of growth forms. Some are sprawling ground covers, while others grow as climbing vines. My personal favorite is Tropaeolum majus, which can easily reach up to 10 feet in length. Its bright, cup-shaped flowers are a stunning sight in any garden. I've found that planting them near trellises or fences enhances their climbing abilities, creating a beautiful vertical display. Another appealing feature of nasturtiums is their leaves. The large, round, and sometimes variegated leaves add a unique texture to garden arrangements. When I first planted them, I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly they established themselves. Tropaeolum species thrive in well-drained soil and require minimal care, making them perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. Cultivation tips for Tropaeolum. If you're considering adding Tropaeolum to your garden, there are several cultivation tips I've learned through my experience. First, these plants prefer full sun, but they can tolerate partial shade. When I planted them in a location with at least 6 hours of sunlight, they flourished. Soil preparation is also crucial. I recommend ensuring your soil is well draining, as Tropaeolum doesn't like to sit in water. I usually mix in compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil. This not only provides nutrients, but also helps with drainage. Watering is essential, especially during dry spells. While Tropaeolum is somewhat drought-resistant, I've noticed that consistent watering leads to more robust growth and flowering. Fertilizing every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer can also promote blooming. Culinary uses of Tropaeolum. One of the most exciting aspects of growing Tropaeolum is its culinary potential. The flowers and leaves are edible, offering a peppery flavor reminiscent of arugula. I often add the vibrant flowers to salads for a pop of color and flavor. They make for a beautiful garnish on dishes, impressing my guests every time. The leaves can be used in various recipes, too. I've experimented with making pesto using nasturtium leaves instead of basil, and the results were delightful. The peppery notes add a unique twist to the traditional sauce. Additionally, the seeds can be pickled and used as a substitute for capers, providing a delicious and unique flavor profile. Companion planting with Tropaeolum. Another benefit of incorporating Tropaeolum in my garden is its ability to attract beneficial insects. These plants are known to draw in pollinators like bees and butterflies. I've found that planting nasturtiums alongside vegetables, particularly brassicas, can help deter pests such as aphids and cabbage worms. This natural pest control is an invaluable asset for any gardener. Conclusion. In summary, the Tropaeolaceae family, specifically the Tropaeolum genus, offers a wealth of benefits to gardeners and food lovers alike. Their stunning flowers, easy cultivation, and culinary versatility make them a must-have in any garden. My personal journey with nasturtiums has been incredibly rewarding, and I encourage fellow plant enthusiasts to explore the beauty and utility of these remarkable plants. Whether you're looking to enhance your garden's aesthetic, attract pollinators, or add a unique flavor to your dishes, Tropaeolum has something for everyone.